Let me guess, you're an aspiring space traveler. No? Okay, how about a hopeful crypto enthusiast? We know there's lots out there. Skydiving junkie? If you have personal interests that are out of this world, there just might be an insurance policy with your name on it. In today's video, we're going to recap some of the most outrageous insurance policies available. Let's start with one of the craziest types of insurance policies that we can come across, the alien abduction insurance policy. In Florida, the St. Lawrence agency sells policies covering, you guessed it, alien abduction, with limits as high as $10 million. However, making a claim for one of these can be a bit more challenging as it requires a signature of an authorized onboard alien. The firm has paid out at least one claim, which, as the policy states, comes in payments of $1 per year over 10 million years. How about zombie apocalypse insurance? While this kind of insurance can be a little harder to come by, there are other policies individuals have purchased in preparation of the potential Walking Dead. If your regular homeowner's insurance doesn't specifically exclude damage caused by zombies, your property should be in the clear. Ghost insurance. In the insurance industry, a ghost policy, which we refer to very often here at our agency, actually refers to a workers' compensation policy that excludes the policyholder themselves from coverage and also has no projected or estimated payroll to cover employees or hired help. However, a UK-based company called Ultraviolet is said to be the first provider of spook-safe coverage. This type of policy offered coverage for death, injury, or property damage by paranormal activity, as well as attacks by werewolves or vampires. I don't know, sometimes I tell my clients, save your premium and hire the Ghostbusters instead. How about cryptocurrency insurance? Now this is a little more realistic, and the reason why is because in 2022, hackers stole over $3 billion in cryptocurrency, and there has been a growing demand for cryptocurrency insurance. The kind of policy that protects against hacking or theft of cryptocurrency held in digital wallets or hardware wallets also protects from bad trades or scams. Imagine that. I thought crypto was supposed to be the safest way to transmit money or transmit funds or exchange. Wedding cancellation insurance. This kind of policy is fairly common and protects from financial loss in the event that a wedding must be canceled or rescheduled. It also covers losses to the dress, the rings, the photos, the videos, or the gifts, all very valuable items. But imagine all the time, the preparation, and the cost that goes into putting together and planning and organizing a wedding. A wedding insurance or wedding cancellation coverage could protect against that type of financial loss. Now, wedding liability insurance is also available to protect against bodily injury, property damage, or other alcohol-related events that may occur during the ceremony or reception. We know weddings can get crazy. People could get hurt, injury or damage could occur. It could also extend protection to the couple, their parents, and the venue. In fact, in many cases, the venue may require that the party buy wedding liability insurance before they contract the event to that party. Extreme sports insurance. Standard travel insurance often covers less risky sports, such as hiking or snorkeling. However, more specific coverage is necessary for those who plan to participate in riskier activities, such as glacier climbing, heli-skiing, or, as I said before, skydiving. This type of policy can account for medical expenses or an emergency evacuation in the event of an accident, which could be extremely costly. If you're in a remote area and you need a helicopter or some sort of transportation in that regard to transport to a hospital, hundreds of thousands of dollars in costs that this type of policy could protect against. Now, pet insurance is becoming more and more common. People like to cover their dogs and their cats in case they have to go to the vet or in case they get sick under a pet insurance policy. But how about pet insurance for exotic animals? It exists. Animal insurance for exotic pets is similar to that for more common pets like dogs and cats. It covers accidents, vet visits, prescriptions, hospitalization, and even more if the animal becomes ill. Now, animals in this type of category usually range from rodents to reptiles to most kinds of birds. However, larger and even more unconventional pets, like tigers, require a far more expensive and special policy to live within a home. Most reputable agencies would refuse to provide this kind of coverage because the risk of insuring the next Tiger King would be far too great for them. How about space travel insurance? As the opportunity for space travel has been extended to non-astronauts, the potential interest in policies like this has grown. The space insurance market has previously concentrated on satellites, rockets, and other non-human cargo. Commercial space travel companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are also already trying to carry liability insurance. However, they are not legally required to offer insurance to passengers. In response to the changing industry, an insurance company called Battleface has launched space travel insurance that accounts for accidental death or permanent disablement in space. It is valid for operators such as Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX. Now let's talk about one that most people should consider. Identity theft is becoming a major problem. It has for many years. All of us are susceptible. We can keep ourselves protected as much as possible, but how about an insurance policy to back up just in case it does happen to you? This type of policy can help cover the financial costs of identity theft, including legal fees, money spent repairing credit reports, lost documented wages from an employer, and credit monitoring services. Now take a look at your insurance policy. Take a look at your homeowner's policy. You might have identity theft protection in there that you might not have realized. If you subscribe to an ID theft service such as Norton, probably have identity theft insurance as part of your plan. So take a look and understand where your protection lies. If you guys need help with any of these types of policies, except of course for space travel insurance or zombie insurance, give us a call. We do write policies at our agency that are above normal risk. Not as crazy as some of these, but we love to insure blue collar, above normal risk industries such as contractors, manufacturers, hospitality. Give us a call. We're happy to help. Our number is 858-384-1506. If you enjoy my videos, please support our YouTube channel by liking this video. Drop a comment below, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so that you're aware of any future videos that we release. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe out there.